Hi guys, Chad Lance here with Guaranty RV. We're looking at the 2019 Coachmen Chaparral 30 RLS. This trailer here is equipped pretty well actually. As you open this compartment here, you have a propane tank. You're going to have the same thing on the other side. As we come around to this compartment here, this is where your storage is and all your hookups. This also has auto level on it, so you just push level and it does its thing. This is a 50 amp service here. A nice outdoor shower. 6-gallon hot water heater. Black tanks are over there and drains. As we come around the back here, we'll notice that you have a nice plug-in for a bike rack or whatnot. A ladder to get up on the roof to check all your seals and everything like that. And then as we come around to this other side here, you'll see that there's an electric awning. Your other propane tank is going to be in here. It's going to be in the other side of your storage. Indoor, outdoor speakers. And as we come on inside here, you'll notice that you got a nice big fridge. Tons of storage in there. The Furrion, which is the new cooktops, triple burner. Also have a nice oven. Your sinks, going to be double sinks on this one. Nice solid surface tops. Microwave, lots of storage. Fireplace, TV, some nice couches, and these are actually going to be a trifold, so this will fold into a queen bed. You got some nice recliners there with lights and all the goodies. A pantry right over here. You also have a table with 4 chairs and a nice spot to put your computer or prep some food or whatnot. As we come in here, you'll see that this is a walkthrough to the bathroom, and it does have a corner shower. And I'm going to sneak through here while he goes over there. This is a nice walk around queen bed. So got tons of storage on each side and lots of room. Anyways, this is Chad Lance, Guaranty RV. Thanks for checking in, 702-249-6264. If you have any questions on this or any other units, give me a shout.